Here we go.
1 minute.
1 minute. Hi everyone, Shahan Wicks, AudiSportExpert.ca. So you purchased a new car, and now they're saying you have to go see the business manager for finance it. Oh yeah, I know, it's so hard. And they're gonna talk to you about warranties and rust proofing and appearance package and things like that. So why do we do that? Why does anyone need to listen to or even take a warranty? Anyone?
Cars aren't made properly and they break down real fast.
Mark is right. After 4 years, or whatever the warranty period of the car that the manufacturer has deemed, so let's say 4 year 80, they've said that, hey, these parts after a while, due to wear and tear, are gonna start breaking down. Anything mechanical will break down eventually, right? So we need to look at warranties. So I see it all the time where people don't take the warranties and there's a waiver form you have to sign. You don't take the warranty, it's just like insurance. And you know, Mark, if you're not properly insured,
You're not covered.
you're not covered. That's my 60 seconds, everybody.
Yay.
Thanks for coming up. I'm Shahan Wicks, Audi Sport Expert. I have a drive for your business.